How you doing?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Surprised?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got me.
You know, 7 months ago I didn't know that this is where I'd be. So glad this is where I'm at. I just love you so much.
Love you too.
Glad I was able to surprise you with this.
Yes.
So Jancy, Harvey, will you marry me?
Yeah.
Sail the skies together till our skin is old and weathered. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away. If I said I never thought.
I feel heard whenever I talk with her, and I love that she's someone that I can be open and honest with, and just feel a nice peace about it when I'm with her.
I like how he looks in a suit. I love his smile.
So we met through my little sister's basketball team. We were both playing basketball together, and she got invited to go hiking with us.
And so I went hiking and we actually talked a little bit, surprising because he doesn't talk that much. Honestly, it was in my head on our first date, but I think it was the night that he drove me back from, it was a tournament in Louisiana. And we said goodnight and I was like, I don't ever want to say goodbye to you again, so.